You will have completed this project by the end of this course. Yes, you heard right. I said you. Yes, you will have completed this project and will have learned the necessary skills to do projects like this and much more. To follow the course, you need to have the AutoCAD software. You can follow along with any version of AutoCAD starting from AutoCAD 2013. This course is divided into 23 main sections and 3 main quizzes. First section is the introduction section, which you absolutely should not skip. In the second section, we will learn how to set up workplace and how to make custom templates. In the third section, we will learn about AutoCAD Classic. The fourth section is the most important section of the course, where we will learn the basic commands and tools. I cannot emphasize more on how important this section is, because if you practice the basic commands and tools, then the rest of the course is going to become super easy for you. And there is a quiz in this section that will help you understand how much more practice you need. In section 5, we are going to use the skills learned in section 4 to make a table. Section 6 talks about the caution of copying objects from one drawing file to another. In section 7, we are going to learn about layer properties, and in section 8, we are going to learn about properties toolbar. Following that, we will learn about building standard dimensions in section 9. We'll learn to draw door, window, and sliding doors plan view in AutoCAD in section 10. In section 11, we will learn how to draw a house plan in AutoCAD, and you will have a few more plans to practice to enhance your skills further. We will also see how to change all drawn units in a DWG with a single command. In section 12, we will learn about color themes in AutoCAD. Section 13 gives valuable information about interface edits. We will learn to plot our drawings in section 14. From section 15, we will start our project. In section 16, we will learn to draw a plan for a multi-story residential building. In section 17, we will learn about dimension style settings, which will be necessary for our project. In section 18, we will cover how to draw a site plan for our project. In section 19, we will learn about working drawings and do the working drawings for our project. In section 20, we will learn about door, window mark plan and do it for our project. In section 21, we will learn how to draw elevation and draw the elevations for our project. In section 22, we will learn about section drawing and do the section drawings for our project. In section 23, we will learn how we can prepare our project for submission. In section 24 and 25, we are going to see some drawing methods of structural detailing, namely column detailing and single foundation detailing. The course is for anyone who wants to learn, and also for people with a background in civil engineering and architecture, but it is not necessary to have a background in these fields, as we will cover all the necessary things in the course. The course description will help you with your decision of enrolling to this course. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the course.